So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see model number here, URG240T6N. Serial number. If you go to bradfordwhite.com, and they got a place you can register it, full name, street address, things like that. Give me your model number, serial number. We'll get your warranty going on this tank. And then, as I mentioned, if you'd like information on how to flush this once a year, respond to, you can either text me or respond to the receipt I'm going to send you via email, and I'll send you out documentation or a video. Up top, what we do is we give you a new shutoff valve. You got some piping back here that's not ours. All that, not ours. Piping over there, not ours. I'm not sure where it goes. It's cold water line running somewhere behind the water heater, so that's fine. This is ours, brand new quarter turn ball valve. So quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Brass nipple in between, stainless steel connectors down to the top of the tank, brass coupling and nipple. We ran out of extenders, so we just put a coupling and a nipple in there. So all solid brass and stainless steel construction. Over on the hot side, you had an adapter soldered on there already, so we just put a stainless steel connector down to here, same thing, brass coupling and nipple. And then of course, T&P valve, temperature and pressure relief valve, short little nipple, stainless steel connector down to the relief line, which is stubbed out on the side yard there. And then venting, so you can see venting over to the ceiling bucket is existing. Not real big fan of actually much, but I guess they'd have something right over here. I'm not sure why the ceiling bucket wasn't put right there, but because there's plenty of attic space up there. I was just up there, but it's not. So anyway, adjustable 45 or adjustable 90-degree offset, adjustable 90, and then a short piece of pipe in here all screwed together. So that's the top of the tank, and then upper third we've got an adjustable strap, and then a lower third we got an adjustable strap. Down here we have a galvanized T. There was no discussion on the wall either when we got here, so this is open. You'd have to cock that closed if you'd like it closed, but put a T on. The reason why is it's just, you can see the water heater's too close. So anytime we put a shorter nipple on there, it was still just hitting the side of the tank. So T, little nipple, that's not a drip leg. It's just simply to cap off. We didn't have a 90. That's what we were trying to accomplish. So little cap and nipple there, a T, brand new shutoff valve, corrugated stainless steel connector over to the controller. It's lit right now. You can see scalding risk increases with hotter water. Please leave it on hot, which is 120. If you feel the need for more hot water than at a fixture, then or if it's failing at a fixture, or for a shower, a tub shower valve, or a faucet, probably something's going on with the fixture, not the water heater. So be mindful of this. Scalding risk increases with hotter water. So 120 is plenty for most people. Anyways, it's all installed. We had the cap off the top of the platform. We have a piece of backer board down there, which is a tile guys use for when they're doing tile showers. And so we've got that on the top. There's a lot of water here, but the top wasn't eaten through or moldy, so what we did is we dried it up and peeled the paper off, and then put a piece of 1/2-inch cement backer board, and then of course 3/4 ply over the top, so we want a nice sturdy base for this water heater. And we'll get the cover on in a minute, but it's lit. A couple hours you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.